Welcome to Gettin Googley. This is a quick video to show you about the question and answer feature in Google Slides. When you click on Present in the lower left-hand corner, you will see Q&A. This will pop open this screen. When you click on Start New, we have this address here. I suggest you either share the screen if you have a presentation that's vertical like mine, but in landscape mode, this whole address would also appear over your presentation as well if it were in the landscape mode. If you click on this link here or even on your presentation, it will open up the question page. This is what the participants would see, and they can ask a question. And submit it. They can submit it anonymously, and it pops up here in the presenter tools. And then while the presenter is presenting or during the designated question and answer time, if they wanted to project this question, they could just click on Present and have the question be projected as well. Other participants can also upvote by clicking on the thumbs up or thumbs down. So that's a quick tour of how you can use the question and answer feature in Google Slides.